This is the demonstration for using DPS368 barometric pressure sensor to measure the altitude of a moving elevator. The higher the position of the elevator, the lower the air pressure is, which results in a higher value of the calculated altitude. This is DPS368 barometric pressure sensor, which is an ultra-small waterproof pressure sensor that can withstand 50 meters underwater for 1 hour. The screen here shows the value of the altitude calculated based on the air pressure values. All of the values are sent from DPS368 pressure sensor to the screen using Bluetooth connection. Let's have a closer look at the screen. The horizontal axis is the number of sampling at the moment for altitude of the sensor. The vertical axis is the value of the calculated altitude based on the measured air pressure value. Beside from the calculated altitude value shown in the graph, the air pressure values measured in millibar and the temperature value from the integrated temperature sensors are shown also. The measurement is now set as relative mode, which means that the air pressure values and the calculated altitude values are set as 0 the moment. We are now at first floor. We will now move to 8th floor. In the middle, we will make a brief stop at 5th floor to record the air pressure value and the calculated altitude value at 5th floor. And after we reach 8th floor, we will make our trip back to 1st floor. And also in the middle, we will make a brief stop at 5th floor to record the air pressure value and the calculated altitude value again and compare the linearity of the values. Let's start the experiment. As the elevator moving up, we can see a decreasing of the air pressure, which lead to an increasing of the altitude. We are now at 5th floor. Let's record the value of the calculated altitude and the air pressure. Okay, let's keep moving to the 8th floor. We are now at 8th floor. We can see the approaching curve when the elevator slowing down during approaching the destination floor. This prevents the sudden stop and ensure comfortable experience for the user of the elevator. Okay, now let's go down to the 1st floor and of course make a brief stop at 5th floor to record the air pressures and the calculate altitude value. We are now at 5th floor and we can see a very good match in the pressure value and also a very good match in the calculated altitude. Let's continue go down to 1st floor. We are now arriving at 1st floor, and again we can see a very good match of air pressure value and also a very good match in the calculated altitude value. This is the end of the experiment. Thank you.